What's up, guys? It's around 11 o'clock midnight. I'm about to work on the track again around this time, I guess. I'm gonna be doing the oil, I think it's oil pressure switch, as my gauge doesn't tell me if my oil is low or high. It just keeps going up and down. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out and see if this is the problem. It's the piece I'm gonna be switching. So hopefully my problem gets fixed. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, it's dropping slowly. I'm gonna go ahead and change out the switch, and hopefully that fixes the problem. And like I said last video, see what's next. And this is next. Changing the oil pressure switch on a Ford F-150 1998 4.2 6 cylinders. I had to go through my tools. And this is the size. It's you guys can see it right there. Better go in there. Switch for this Ford F-150. It's right next to the oil filter. As you can see, it's right there. It looks like it's leaking oil. See if you focus. It's right there. I'm about to go ahead and change it. So go ahead and unplug the wiring, and it's right there. Wish me luck. I'm gonna run real quick to Home Depot, grab a socket, because the one I had didn't fit all the way down, so I had to go get a longer one. So make sure it's long enough so you can get it through. Make sure it's not hot. Make sure you disconnect . Fuse is right there. Alright, we got it out. So this is the old one. It looks a little longer. So this is the original piece. And this is aftermarket. from Pet Boys. Looks the same, it's just a little longer than the other one. So, about to put the new one back on. That's where it goes in, right there. Well, finally got it in. It's right here. Make sure you guys let this cool down, because I didn't, and yeah, it's kind of hot under here still. So make sure you tighten it right. Okay, well, that's on. About to go ahead and check it out inside. Low oil light is off. Gauge looks like it's staying up. Gonna take a joyride in a little bit. Gotta go wash up inside and take it for a little ride and see if it fixed the problem. So that's the oil pressure sensor on a Ford F-150, 4.2, 6 cylinders. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out. So please share and subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the next videos. Like I always say, see what's next.